Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you are going to learn how you can use Elementor form submissions to create a contact in a list in Mailercloud application automatically. So this automation that we are about to set up is designed and created to level up your email marketing campaigns, and here let me show you how it is going to help you. So this is how the flow of the automation is going to work. So here you have to create a form. It can be any type of form with the help of Elementor form plugin, or you can use any other form builder application as well. And then you have to share this form with your audience or embed in your website. And as and when you'll receive a form submission from any of your customer or lead, the same person is going to be added in a list in Mailercloud application automatically. So Mailercloud is a widely used email marketing tool. So this automation is going to save your time, which you have to spend in manually sorting out the details of your customers and leads, then adding those customers one by one in the mailing list in Mailercloud. So it will improve your efficiency and your productivity, and it will save your time. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect here, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. For that, you can check the link that I have pasted in the description. From there, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after creating the account, you can sign in and you can reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. So as you sign up for a free account, it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So here you have to start working by creating a workflow of automation. So to create a workflow, you can see here we have this create workflow button. Click on it. And here in this name field, you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow is create contacts from Elementor form submissions in Mailercloud automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these things. So the trigger is the happening of any event. So it is saying here when this happens, and the action is the response to the trigger. So it is saying do this. All right. So in our use case, the trigger would be a new form submission, and the action would be to create the same person who have filled the form as a contact in Mailercloud application. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So click here, and from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application. So here we have Elementor plugin, which is our trigger application. Okay. Now you have to select new form submission option as the trigger event. So it will trigger this workflow when a new form is submitted. Okay. Then it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So here you can read these instructions written here to make the connection and fetch the details of a demo form submission here. So we'll connect our form, then we'll do a demo submission of the form, and we'll fetch the data here from the form to Pabbly Connect, and with the help of that demo data only, we are going to move forward here. Okay. So let me show you. First of all, you have to copy this webhook URL. Okay. Then you have to reach WordPress where you have the form embedded. Okay. And here you can see we have created this subscription form. And here I have this edit with Elementor option. So click on edit with Elementor. Okay. And here you can see this is our form. And when you click on any field of this form, on the left hand side panel, you will find this content tab. And under this content tab, when you scroll down, let me scroll down. Here you will find this actions after submit option. So click on actions after submit, and from this add action field, you can see you will find a list here. And from this add action field, you have to add an action which is called webhook. Add this action, and this webhook tab will appear below, and click on it, and you will find this webhook URL option here. And here in this webhook URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you've copied from Pabbly Connect like this. Okay. Then you have to click on update, and your form page will be updated. Okay, so it is updated now. And here you can see in the workflow, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to do a test submission or record so that you can capture the response from the form to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So I'm going back to my form and I'm opening this form here. I'm clicking on view page option. So this is our page and the form. And here I'm going to fill this form on the name of any person or the customer. Let's say the customer or the lead here is this. Her name is Harsha. Okay. This last name is Yadav. Okay. And this is the, let me fill the email ID. Okay, this is the email ID. And this is these are the demo details that I have filled here. And I have submitted this form. You can see the form was sent successfully is written here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data from this form. And you can see in the response received section, we got the details from the form here like this. The first name, the last name, the email, the number, and all the things. Okay. Now I want to add this person in real time. Whenever I capture any form response, I want to create a contact out of the details of the form in Mailercloud application. Okay, for that to happen, you have to connect Mailercloud in this actions tab. So from this choose a field, search for Mailercloud. This is Mailercloud, guys. Select it. And in the action events, you have to select add contact to list. Okay, then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection. And here it will ask for this API key to make the connection with Mailercloud application. So guys, to find the key, you have to go to your Mailercloud's account. Then you have to navigate to integrations and you'll find the key there. Okay. So let me show you how we can find this. So guys, this is my Mailercloud applications dashboard. And here you can see I have this profile icon named as Pabbly Connect. So I'm clicking on it on the profile and I'm clicking on this account section. And under this accounts page, you will find this integrations option. And here you will find this API integrations option. Click on it, API integrations. And here you can see we have this API key. So you can create your own key by clicking here on this create API key button. Here I have this key. I'm going to use this only. So I'm clicking on copy from here and we have copied the key and then paste the API key here in this API key field. Then click on save and you will be connected with Mailercloud. Okay. You can see we are connected now. After that, you can see it will show you in this list field all the lists that you have in Mailercloud. So in Mailercloud, I can show you I have these lists. Okay, so I have all these lists created for different reasons and I want to add this person from Elementor form to here in this list named as Elementor leads. Okay, so I want to fetch the details of the customer and create a contact in this Elementor list. So first of all, you have to select the list from here, from this list field, find your list, select it. And now it is asking for the email and all these things. So I'm going to use this demo data that I have received from the Elementor and I'm going to map this data here in this second step. So to map the data, you just have to click here on this email field and you will find this Elementor form option in the drop down. And from here only map this email address. Okay. And you can select the contact type as active or whatever you want to select. I'm making it active. And in the first name, let me map the first name. This is the first name. And this is the last name. Okay, and for the phone number, use the same process. Okay, so if you have all these details also, you can map all those details. So when we map these things like this, what will happen in real time when you will get a real form submission from any of your lead or customer, this data is going to change accordingly and a new person will be added in Mailercloud automatically. Okay, so that's why we need to map such things. So if you have all other things, you can map that things too. Right now I have all these things that I have mapped, so I'm leaving these things blank. In the lead source, you can put Elementor manually. Okay, so that you can know from where this lead is coming. Okay, Now let's check our connection, if our connection with Mailercloud is working or not. So here in this list, in the Elementor leads list in Mailercloud, we have only one contact right now. Now I'm going to click here on save and send test request, and a new contact will be added if the connection is fine. Okay, and this is the ID created. Let me show you in Mailercloud if we got the data. So I have refreshed the contacts page, and you can see a new contact is here named as Harsha. Okay, so you can view this contact, you can view all the details that you got from Elementor like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. So our connection is proper, and we are done setting up this automation. And now let me show you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger, I connected Elementor. With the help of this URL, I connected my form and fetched the demo details like this. And then in the actions tab, I connected Mailercloud and map the details required to create a contact. So guys, you have to make the connections and map the data only once. And you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, let me show you a real-time example how it is going to work. So I am here in my form again, and let me fill this form again with the name as this, Sayang Jain. This is the email, okay, and this is the phone number. And I'm clicking on send here, and you will see that the form was sent successfully. Now I'm going to check in Mailercloud application directly if a new contact is added or not. So here I'm going to refresh this page again. And in the contacts, you can see a new contact is here with the name as Sayank. And this is the email. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.